know. It's not great. It is an adventure. Depends what you're coming for. If you're coming for an adventure, do it. But if you're coming for an easy time, I'm not so sure. Hola. The main town bit now. Still pretty bad, I'd say, in this area. Puddle-wise, but the streets are okay. If you're walking, you should be alright. The military actually made their way in, haven't they, babe? They've come in to help, I think. Yeah, fair play. They bothered to come in and help with a yeah, so that's how bad it was. They've even got the military in to help out, you know. Nearly at the ferry point now, just at the end here. Some nice fresh fruit there, and vegetables, manzana. A few nice restaurants here. They do nice mojitos there by the looks of it. I saw yesterday, but I didn't get a chance to try it. On this trip we didn't get to do anything really, did we? It was, we didn't get to see any restaurants or anything, did we? Yeah, we were kind of stuck.
We were stuck like two.
Yeah, we didn't get to do any fun things. People are riding wherever they can get away from the water, even if it's the wrong side of the road. A little perito there. Tattoo shop. Yellow taxis are the only taxis on the island, so this is how you get about on this island. They're different ones, no, they're the same. There we go.